Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application, and also you will need to have a Google account copied to your watch so you can use the Google services on it, and also you will need to have an internet connection on your watch so you can download the watch faces. To add the Google account to your watch, you simply need to open the settings, find the Google option and tap on it, then tap on accounts, and here you can tap on add Google account. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you will see this pop-up. You need to tap on this icon. It will open the page on your phone that is paired with your watch, of course, and then you can add the Google account from your phone to your watch. And once you do, you should have access to the Google services on your watch. And to connect your watch to the internet, open the settings again, find the connectivity, Wi-Fi, and here make sure the Wi-Fi is enabled. As you can see, I have a network right here. It says connected, but you can tap on add network, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, enter the password, and it will connect to the internet. And once you have the both Google account and internet connection, we can continue. And now we can open the Play Store on our watch. So let's press the crown button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, find the Play Store icon, and once you find it, you can tap on it, and it should open the Play Store on your watch. And here we have a main page of the Play Store. You can scroll through it to look for something. I want to look for the watch faces, so I'm gonna tap on this category, browse watch faces. And here we have different watch face categories. We can scroll through, look for something, and then we can open it. For example, digital watch faces, we can tap on see more. For some reason it doesn't want to open the category. Let's try again. Oh, now it opened. And you can look for something you like, and once you find it, you can tap on the watch face you like. And here you have this big install button. You can also check the reviews, the amount of downloads, the screenshots of the watch face, how it looks like, and you can read the description and stuff like that. And once you decide to install the watch face, tap on install. Here we can basically decide to set the watch face after it installs, so it will automatically apply, and you can tap on checkmark on X to confirm or deny. You can also enable the option to always set the watch faces you install. I'm just gonna tap on checkmark to confirm, but if you don't want to apply it immediately, you can tap on X to deny it. And the install button should change to something like set, even though the watch face should be set already. So if we go back to watch face, it should be applied, but for some reason it's not. But if we open the watch face menu and scroll through it, it should be here on the list somewhere. There's quite a few of them, as you can see. Oh no, we need to find this more option, tap on it. And here we have it, the one that we installed, and we can tap on it. It will be added to the list, and then we can tap on it again to select it and apply it. And here we have our watch face applied on our watch. Even though we set we tap on the check mark to set it automatically, for some reason it didn't. So basically you need to open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, scroll to the right, tap on more, find it on the list, tap on it to add it to the actual list of the watch faces, and then tap on it again to select it and apply it on your watch. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.